Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Showbiz TV. Today we talk about Turkish very beautiful, very famous, very popular and very pretty actress Özge Gürel. Comparison with Yağmur Öztürk. Biography, lifestyle, hobbies, networth, real age, boyfriend and much more. So guys, don't skip the video, watch till end, and if you love this video to the end, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. First, we will talk about Özge Gürel biography. Birth name Özge Gürel Çayoğlu, also known as Özge Gürel. Date of birth 5 February 1987. Present age 36 years old in 2023. Birthplace Istanbul, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Ethnicity white. Religion she is Muslim. Height 5 feet 6 inches. Weight 55 kilograms. Eye color dark brown. Hair color auburn. Profession actress. Years active 2010 to present. Marital status married. Husband name Serkan Çayoğlu. Let's start the hobbies. She like makeup. She like taking selfies. She is animals lover. She like boxing. Let's start the social media facts. She is quite famous on Twitter, 346.2k followers on Twitter. She is also famous on Facebook, 66k followers on Facebook. She is very famous on Instagram, 5.9 million followers on Instagram. Net worth according to Google $3 million approx. Let's start the Yağmur Öztürk biography. Birth name Yağmur Öztürk. Nickname Yağmur. Date of birth 1st January 1999. Present age 27 years old in 2023. Birthplace Ankara, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Zodiac sign Capricorn. Religion she is Muslim. Ethnicity white. Height 5 feet 8 inches. Weight 58 kilograms. Eye color brown. Hair color also brown. Marital status unmarried. Profession actress, model and presenter. Years active 2014 to present. Let's start the hobbies. She like cycling. She like reading books. She like taking selfies. She is animals lover. She like traveling around the world. Let's start the social media facts. She is quite famous on Twitter, 331 followers on Twitter. She is also famous on Instagram, 31.4k followers on Instagram. Net worth according to Google $1 million approx. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, share and press the bell icon for future update.